Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love read. Let's see how you're doing, how your person's doing, and what action can we expect now in this connection, Sagittarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Sagis, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, we welcome you too. To join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Sagis, two sides to the story. One side is for you, one side is for your person. For me, this will be person A for me. Now I'll put down cards for person B. If this is your story, you'll know which side you belong to, right? And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards and the action cards as to see what we can expect. All right. One for here, one for here. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. So from what I see on the table right now, Saggis, somebody really was looking forward to this happily ever after, thinking this is their soulmate, this is their twin flame. But right now they're facing a bit of resistance, it seems, from their person. Where person B is concerned, they are not confused. They are not confused. They're pretty clear of what they want, but they're still going back and forth in their mind regarding something. They want to come out of confusion. They want to come out of confusion, of this back and forth energy of I don't know what. We'll figure out. We'll clarify all these cards. Let's start with some dialogue message cards, Sagittarius, for you. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the cards. So Sagittarius and their person spirit. Okay. And I'll take, and I did see the Page of Wands in reverse here, bottom of my deck as well. So I think there has been some miscommunication regarding a commitment or a long-term potential of this connection. Maybe you guys are not talking to each other or not interacting the way you should. One more. Okay, Saggis, let's begin your reading. The first card I have here says, I'm considering moving on with a soulmate, but I really don't want to have to. I feel so alone. Why did you abandon me? I'm embarrassed over how desperate I became and what I did. Do you still respect me? I've been hurt so badly, I don't even know if I can really love again. You made me realize that I had flaws. I'm trying to do better now. I just have other responsibilities to take care of. I have other things on my mind other than you. So yes, Saggis, I did try and do your reading twice before actually, and each time I was getting a similar kind of a message where there's been some talk maybe about long term, and the other person was not ready, or they didn't want the commitment, or there's like two people on two different pages, but in a loving kind of a connection. So if this seems to be your story, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with the angel blessing card to see if my angels could say something, what that would be. Well, the card which flipped out before I started shuffling was you found it and steady progress. So somebody feels they found their soulmate, they found the person who they want to be with, and angels are saying yes, steady progress may just bring you the one that you really want. But at the moment, I think there's a bit of you guys are not thinking on the same page from what I was feeling from my other readings as well. So let's see, maybe things can turn around. I'm going to start with the energies of person A, Sagittarius, who have the Four of Wands and the Seven of Wands. What's that, Spirit? Why are they feeling at the Four of Wands? One more. They're feeling a bit upset because they feel somebody is blocking them. They feel they want to start a brand new chapter with person B. They want to work, they want to move forward with person B. They want to have this Four of Wands, but they are waiting for somebody to make a decision. And right now, from what I feel, you guys are really not on the same page. Because somebody here is, I think person B is not making a decision right now. Even though person A is very keen. Seven of Wands, Spirit? Seven of Wands. Yeah, they're feeling a bit blocked off. They're feeling a bit blocked off. They are trying to think now how I can, kind of overcome this hurdle that I've come into. Maybe being in hermit mode, trying to be a bit spiritual, trying to get guidance from their angels. How do I kind of end the conflict that I find myself in with my partner and get over this burden of this blockage which has come between the two of us? So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? I think some secrets came out. Some secrets came out about the fact that they lost hope in whatever was said. I think they felt they were not being offered a balanced and equal give and take kind of a connection. I think there was a lot of waiting for this person to take action. They waited a long time for their person to take action. They were very patient. But certain things came out where they realized that their wishes may not come true. Star in reverse, Spirit. Star in reverse. Yes, some person is right now feeling quite down and out. They're feeling, a little embarrassed and ashamed, and not ashamed, but a bit embarrassed of how desperately they wanted, this decision to get made, which was probably not made. Right now they're feeling, I probably won't get victory. They're not feeling victorious at all in this connection. Why is that, Spirit? Yes, person A has a lot of love for person B, but they heart of hearts know. They heart of hearts know that this is my person. They've been waiting and waiting with all the love in their heart for their person to show up in a grounded manner where, they'll come and take charge of this relationship, offer this Queen of Cups, very loving, very kind, very intuitive, very patient, a person who's been waiting very patiently for their person to come and take some kind of action. But right now they feel a little defeated here. They feel their wishes, or that's how they felt in the recent past of whatever happened here, whatever decision was made. So right now, person A, how does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit? They're feeling quite weak. But still haven't given up hope. Even though they feel right now, nobody's really taking action to strengthen this connection, person A still has full hope that sooner than later, once, things come back on track, justice will come back to this connection. I will have my 10 of Pentacles. I think somebody on person A's side is still waiting for a rebirth or a second chance in this connection. Even though I think in the recent past, things have gone a little array because their person never made a decision. Judgment, Spirit, versus Judgment card for person A. One more. I think person A has come to that point that with or without commitment, they are trying to make themselves that strong that they can re-begin, make steady progress into this connection, even if an offer of commitment may not be there. They feel they can overcome any burden, any hassle, as long as they have that person by their side. And maybe in the past, person A has been asking for something long term, and that's why this fight or conflict happened. But person A has come to that point where they feel, without my person in my life, I feel so down and out that I've come to that point that if I have a second chance with them, I'm not even going to ask them for maybe a commitment now, as long as we can get back on track. So what action person A will take, I'll open later. Let's go on to person B's side and see how they're feeling about this situation. So Sajis, this could be you, that could be you, I don't know. I'm going on to person B now. Person B is no longer confused. 7 of Cups in reverse. They have been, I think, at crossroads for a very long time, and maybe been juggling. Yes, maybe they've been going back and forth in their mind as to what to do, and they have stood at crossroads for the longest time. Maybe confused whether to commit or not, or where their their heart lies, or something like that. I think person A is choosing now to walk away, to find peace and harmony, or just get over a conflict maybe, and move away from all this back and forth that's been happening in their life. So what's this Two of Pentacles, Spirit? What have they been juggling with? They just want to bring back balance, harmony, peace in their life, it seems. They feel kind of stuck. They feel things are just not moving in their favor. Keeping themselves a bit guarded. I think this person prefers to be in this kind of energy of, that in and out behavior, or maybe has in the past. Maybe they were in this connection only for the passion. They only wanted to keep this connection very floaty. They never had any intention of solidifying this connection. They were always very guarded when it came to making any kind of a choice or any kind of a decision. But I think in the recent past, you guys could have been on different pages. I have the Empress in reverse and the Knight of Wands again in reverse. So maybe somebody was refused being given a stability in a connection. Maybe this Empress deserved, yes, absolutely demanded, commanded that, hey, we've been up and down for so long. Are we ever going to take the next step? And I think there was a refusal here by this Knight of Wands to say that I would rather keep it that way. Let's see. Empress in reverse, Spirit, in the recent past. Yes, even though this Empress really made them happy, there was happiness, there was togetherness, but when it came to making a choice, the choice was difficult for this person B to make. Knight of Wands, Knight of Wands, Knight of Wands. Whatever happened in the recent past, I think, made this feminine very upset, very angry, and it's not that person B has totally left them or gone away. They still are keeping a watch on person A. They still, or maybe they were trying to figure out what work to put in to solidify this connection. I don't think person B was ever interested. They just wanted to keep it light. They were curious about this connection, maybe. They just wanted to keep it light. They wanted to keep it in the air. And when this Empress maybe demanded something more, I think this person could have chosen to leave. Yes, this connection kind of felt like it's backfired now. Let's see how person B feels about this connection now. Yes, they feel this connection has totally, they feel like a loser actually, because they haven't been able to make a decision even now. They feel they've hurt their partner. They've hurt their partner. They feel they know their partner would like them to return, but they're still unable to make a decision at the moment. They have romantic feelings. They do care for person A, they have a lot of passion for person A, but the problem arises when they have to make a decision. So, Two of Swords, Spirit, Two of Swords, Two of Swords. Yes, person B does want to apologize to person A for some reason. They don't like to see that they've made their person unhappy or they've broken their heart. I think even though they are unable to make a decision, they do want to come forward and kind of do or say something, or at least apologize for breaking person A's heart. That's the way they are feeling at the moment. They feel that would be the right thing to do. They don't feel right about what they've done. So let's see what action person A will take now. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? That person A will take? My throat is choking up. Person A feels that it's already come to an end because they feel their partner is no longer wanting to put in any work. They feel this connection is already ended. But yes, person A is feeling quite sad and rejected, feeling dejected at the moment, fearing that it's already ended now. They don't know if they should put in any action. They don't see any action coming from person B's end. Person A is feeling a little rejected at the moment, very sad, feeling they are not getting the offer of their dreams. So person B, will you please take action now? Person A is feeling sad. They're making a decision. The Lovers in reverse. They are making a very strong decision. What is that decision, Spirit? And how is that an action? One more. They don't want to spoil this soulmate connection. That's for sure. Person B doesn't want to ruin the soulmate connection. They're also up in their head and stressed out about what they've done. They know they've kind of created some bad memories in this connection. They know that person A actually makes them very happy and satisfied. But there is a but here. They still want to keep things a little open-ended. They don't want to make that decision. They're very clear on the fact that they want to keep this as an option, from what I feel. I don't know. Spirit, is that what they want to do? Anything else? Person B, any action? No, they're still holding back from making a choice or a decision. Till they have clarity. Till they have clarity as to how, what, when they want to have this Four of Wands, they still want to leave it open, from what I feel. I'm still not satisfied, Spirit. One more. Yeah, I can try and try. This person is emotionally manipulative. They don't show all their cards. Yes, they have a lot of love in their heart for person A, but they kind of keep person A emotionally manipulated by not showing the hand. They like to keep things a bit stagnant. I did see it in two cards here. This person is a little greedy. They just want themselves to be happy. They like to be in this Nine of Cups energy where things are good, I'm fine, I'm happy, this is the way things should be, I'm not interested in making any kind of decision right now. My decision is to not make a decision right now. That's what this person is saying. They're holding back from committing. They like the Nine Cups. They are not in that place where they want to offer that Ace of Cups right now. This person has that Ace of Cups. They do have that love, but they keep it hidden. Sometimes they'll show a bad side to them or that non-committal side to them. Sometimes so this is emotional manipulation, never allowing the person A to have any clarity as to whether they are in or whether they're out. So this person is going to try and keep things as they were whilst holding back from the connection for as long as they can manage not to make a decision regarding a commitment. So just be mindful, Sagittarius, if you're on person A's side. This person does love you, but I don't think they're ready right now to totally make that firm decision about long term. Okay, so that's all I have for you. I hope it worked for you. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.